What's up, guys?
It's Katie here.
And Tori. And we're here.
And we have Onyx, Peter, and so we're walking up to the canoe place, and basically we're gonna be canoeing today. I've been waiting for this day. Can you stop? You'll get some sun.
Yeah.
It's blazing, bitch. But anyways, yeah, so we're finna go get our canoes, get set up, and then we'll see you when we're on the water. Yes. It's a great day to be alive. Shit. Let's hope you don't drown. Alright, so we got the little life jackets on and shit. We got Peter in the back. We got Onyx right here. And we got Tori Goofy. Stop! This is for the vlog,
just texted me.
bitch.
What'd he say? Something about the cops?
So what we finna do? We finna go head out on the canoes right there. We'll see you on the ocean or the lake, whatever the fuck this is. It's a lake. So it's safe to say our booty got wet as fuck and them niggas over there struggling. Oh my god. Bro, can they even see them? Yeah, they're like literally all the way over there. Onyx, rate so far.
What?
Rate it so far. How we have it?
It's fun. It's just I'm getting wet. I don't like getting
This
wet.
shit is too much. Imagine if I drop my phone. Bro, I can't go there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Tori, what happened?
Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off.
Stop, you bitch. That's what you get. That's what you fucking get.
So we gotta get back in and go again.
Oh my god. Did you find everything?
Yes.
Good. I'm surprised you guys sank so quick. Like, were you guys not going straight?
Fuck that. Fuck that.
What happened?
All my money. I had hundreds of dollars in it.
Shit, it got wet?
Yeah.
Damn.
Got wet. I don't know if my shit works anymore. No, we ain't doing this again. We ain't doing this.
Yeah, watch out. So these niggas tipped again and they lost their phone. I do too, but dang, like come on. Again.
I don't know. I didn't check.
At least you got it dry.
Yeah.
Is our boat gone?
These guys and girls helped us out.
Gosh,
So
thank
yeah,
God.
it's over here.
Fuck.
How y'all feel?
Look at my cut foot. Look at our cut foot. My cut foot.
Oh, fuck.
I'm not getting on that again. I'm not getting on it. I'm walking.
We
doing
have
Stop,
to. This
yes.
time we're not gonna stop.
We're just no.
So we're actually scarred for life. So let me just take you guys through the story. So we came down the rapids, and then I wanted to wait for our friends, but Onyx said to keep going.
Obviously,
Because we were gonna hit this wall and we thought it was just gonna stop us.
no,
But-
you
but
thought it
yeah,
was
I
gonna
did.
stop you.
I did. And little did we know, when we hit it, it flipped us, and the boat came over our heads and was drowning us.
No,
we were
like,
drowning. We were
I
actually
swallowed
drowning.
water, and
Yeah.
I'm so disgusted.
Like I thought that was it for us. My life sincerely flashed before my eyes, and I can't swim.
the first thing I remember were the risk we had to read when we signed the sheet.
Like we
and
both cut our foots.
there was a risk of drowning.
Yeah, we both cut our foots and on the rocks. And let's just say we're not really doing too well right now, but we're gonna try and finish out the trip. Okay. So we'll see you on the other side. We're actually scarred. Like we're really not trying to do some shit. Me either. And we need to hurry up and get somewhere so we can disinfect our cuts, because this is just gross. So we'll see you in a minute.
The kayak went on top of their head.
Hi, Onyx.
We fucking made it.
We made it.
Tori, we fucking made it. We literally almost drowned.
Yeah, we almost drowned. Like, yeah.
God, it was not pleasant. All right. Shit.
On my foot right here.
How was that?
Tired as fuck.
Jesus, that was really too much. That was really too much. But yeah, so thanks for tuning in. This has been Katie and Tori, and shit, a wild ass ride. So we'll see you in the next one.